Hello there. Welcome to my kitchen. This is the place where very little cooking gets done because I live alone and I'm very boring. Here's the fridge. Lots of things. A cupboard with some stuff. And a freezer in which, like every other freezer in Canada, there's a door filled with old bananas. Now I know that my mom loves me. I think so. She says it once in a while. But when I moved out of my dorm for second year university, she made me a bunch of recipe cards, which I still have today. It's 2019. That was 7 years ago. These have never been used because I suck. But that changes now. Part 1 of our something part series of Christian cooks. The first edition, banana muffins. Let's get those brown bananas going. Let's start with the ingredients. Flour, don't have it. Baking soda, don't have it. Salt, a little bit of it. Oil, yes. Sugar, no. Eggs, no. Sour cream, nope. Mashed bananas, yes. Have nothing. I got nothing. I gotta get some muffin tins. I think I need to go shopping. We've got the list of muffin materials, or muff-terials. Superstore Saturday. Whose dumb idea was this? So we're back home. Muffin tins, eggs, other things that I just stubbed my toe on, it hurts. And the bananas. Haha, defrosting nicely. Yes, 400, let's go. Flour, baking soda, salt, in a large bowl. Would you look at this guy? A measuring cat. Flour, baking soda, and just a wee bit of salt. There's a well in the center, kind of. So let's move on to the small bowl with sour cream, oil, sugar, egg. And it's a brown one because all eggs matter. It's time to add bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. But before we put this in the oven, there's one last thing. If desired, add 3/4 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Oh, it's desired. Yes. 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 Here we go. Into the oven. Muffin time. And now we wait 20 to 25 minutes. The moment of truth. Oh, I can't grab it. These mitts are slippery. Oh, muff, yeah. Oh, toothpick test time. Stick it in, pull it out. It's clean. Now, it took a little bit of a struggle getting the paper off the muffin, but okay. It's edible. Are they as good as the ones my parents made when I was growing up? No. Am I gonna make them again? You saw my freezer. I have lots of bananas. I will again. Until next time, keep cooking.